I hope you're having a fantastic Friday. So I am super pumped because, as you can see from the title down below, we have our October 2019 The Box by Fashionsta. So if you are not familiar with what this is, I will go over that briefly here in just a moment. First, again, I want to say thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you're new, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And y'all, don't forget, we do have so many different giveaways going on. We do have the Jeffree Star giveaway from the mystery box, so definitely check them out. They'll all be linked down below if you haven't already. I feel like I have a hair, sorry. But the box by Fashionsta. So this is only $19.99 a month, y'all. That's it. There is no tax, no shipping, no nothing. It is $19.99 a month, and it is a beauty subscription, and you receive about 5 products every month, and the value of this box is always far more than what you pay. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, but let's get in here and see what I got for October 2019. So when you open it, it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. So this is what it looks like. It looks like they missed my sticker, but that's okay. And then this is one thing about this subscription I absolutely love. They give back. It says box with a purpose. And they give back to the 1736 Family Crisis Center. And I think that that is fantastic. Any box that gives back, I absolutely love. And then we have a card here that goes over all of our products. We won't peek too much. I do love that they give a description of the items as well as pricing. And you guys, the total value of this box, $157.50. What? So let's get in here and see what we got. So this is what we see first. So we're gonna move some of these squigglies out of the way. All right, so the first thing catching my attention, and we actually got a product from this brand last month, and I'm perfectly fine with it because I do love this. This is from Teami, and this is their, let's see, hibiscus infused vitamin C serum, $45. So this right here is already more than double the price of box. Quench dry skin with this serum's water-esque consistency, which instantly absorbs into your skin. Vite C takes less than 30 seconds, so you can quickly continue with your beauty routine. The unique process behind this weightless vitamin C serum involves hand steeping the hibiscus flower leaves and brewing an antioxidant-rich, refreshing red tea, which creates the baby pink color we adore. With a light, fresh grapefruit scent, you will fall in love with the clean, plant-based, and holistic Vite C serums for your skin that feels radiant the moment it touches your face. So, and it is cruelty-free, which I love. So, oh my gosh, this is so, like, it's gorgeous. Even as a serum, that is like gorgeous. I'm gonna want to reach for this just because it's so cute. So, all right, let's see. So it's got a grapefruit scent, it said. Put a little hair on my hand. I don't want to waste too much. So there is what it looks like. You can see it is that light pink. Oh, and it is that watery consistency, water-esque. And it does have a very light grapefruit scent, but then it does also have like a natural scent. Y'all, and that went right into my skin and is like butter. That is amazing. Wow. That, okay. I'm happy with that. All right, and then let's see, we have from Girlactic, we have a long-lasting matte lip paint liquid lipstick duo. This is $26. The first original double-ended matte lip paint, a color-rich creamy formula that's weightless on the lips and delivers long-lasting coverage that's transfer proof with no cracking or bleeding. Colors can be worn individually or as an ombre lip. All right, so I got Blossom and Sweet. So let's take a look. Oh, this is, y'all, look at those colors. That is gorgeous. All right, let's swatch them. I'm gonna swatch this color here. This is Sweet and this is Blossom. So Sweet is the more like nude. Oh my gosh, but it is, oh my gosh. That feels stunning. Like it just went on so well and oh. Y'all, these are stunning. Look at those colors. Those are so perfect for fall. They went on so smooth and just absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh, we are 2 for 2, y'all. And the subscription, like I said, is only $19.99. Now there is a wait list because the one thing, again, I like about this company is they didn't want to take on too many subscribers and not be able to fulfill the boxes or have to substitute too many different products. So I love that they did that. So yay. All right. Now, next we have, and I'm so excited for this, from Sigma, we have the F89. Right there, you can kind of see. Baked Kabuki brush, this is $25. Keep your look perfect with this Sigmax fiber brush designed to pick up and press on setting powder. The angle gets close to contours. It is recommended to use this foundation face brush with powder products, perfect for full coverage. So y'all, that makes me so excited because my favorite foundation right now is actually the Too Faced Born This Way powder foundation. So I will start using this brush. Let's get it out. I want to feel it. To put that on. Oh, that feels so nice. So you kind of see the design there. And then the Sigma. Yeah, I like, it's dense but soft. I love that so much. All right, then we have from Everyday for Everybody, Club BFF Natural Rescue Balm. This is $15. Club BFF is your ride or die kind of friend. This nifty sidekick is a petroleum-free balm formulated with papaya, antioxidant-rich acai, emollient sunflower seed oil, and soybean germ extract that moisturizes your lips and other body bits. Guess you could call it a friend with many benefits for all skin types. So it's for your lips, but you could use it, you know, in other places. And it has pawpaw, acai, and peppermint, flake Nemo. It says right there. Let's see. Apply liberally to dry areas, reapply as needed. And I love they are cruelty free. So let's see. And this is definitely a good time of year to get a really good lip balm. So there it is out of the package. So let's see. Oh, I can already smell peppermint. So it has like a typical lip balm or lip applicator. So I'm excited for that. And that actually would be great to put on before you put on the matte lips so that your lips, excuse me, don't end up feeling dry. All right, and then we have, that has some like black dust from the squigglies. We'll wipe that off. This is Jet Super Hydrating Skincare Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser. This is from Double Dare is the brand. This is $25. Now this I did see on their Instagram. This is where there was a misprint on the card as far as for the description of this product. So I'm just going to read it from the back of the bottle. Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser gently dissolves makeup and impurities. Cactus fruit delivers antioxidants to protect the skin from aging and allows skin to restore vitality and appearance of youthful looking skin. You just use 2 to 3 pumps on your palms, gently massage your face to remove makeup and impurities. Rinse or add lukewarm water to create the foam. Apply lather onto face in circular motions to cleanse. Rinse off with water. And it is a Korean brand. Like I said, it is Double Dare. So there's that. All right, and then our final product is a palette, Leopardina. This is from Rude Cosmetics. I have never tried anything from them. If you have, let me know what you think of their products. So this is the actual palette out of the packaging. It looks the same. And this is $21.50. It is a 12 eyeshadow and 4 highlighter palette. So featuring a combination of 4 highlighters and 12 shadows, this palette will be sure to bring out your inner feline. Each carefully selected shade can easily be complemented. Shadows are a combination of mattes and shimmers, which allow you to bring any look up a notch. So let's take a look. Oh, there went the plastic. It does have a really nice big mirror. So here are the eyeshadows and then obviously the 4 highlights. So let's see. I'm going to swatch this highlight right here. Doesn't have names, but we will swatch. Oh, that feels very nice. So there's that. You can see that there. That looks very nice. And then let's see. I'm just going to swatch one matte and one shimmer just so we kind of get an idea. I will swatch this matte right here. And I'll just do this shimmer here on the end. So, oh my gosh, that matte, y'all, that feels like, whoa. These are like so soft. All right, so here's the shimmer. Oh my gosh. And the matte. So there you can see the shimmer shade and that matte shade. And y'all, they seriously felt so amazing. So I am actually really excited to try this. I love that it has the highlighter in it, the 4 different highlighters. And this, I mean, for this time of year, this palette is perfect. So that was the box by Fashionsta for October 2018. Again, we got the Leopardina palette from Rude Cosmetics. We got the, I have eyeshadow all over my hands, the Teamy Hibiscus Vitamin C Serum, which I'm so excited about. The Sigma F89 Baked Kabuki Brush. The Galactic Liquid Lip Duo, which dried down gorgeously. The Jet Super Hydrating Skincare Oil to Foam Cleanser. And the Everyday BFF Lip Balm. So I, again, am really pleased with this month with this box. I think it is amazing. I definitely think for $19.99 you are absolutely getting your money's worth. So like I said, there will be a link down below if you would like to go to their website and sign up, get on the wait list. Let me know your thoughts if you got the box. I hope again that you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.